According to these lab activities, in number 2, prepare the following document and insert the footnote as given and also insert the endnote. This is the first page. This is the second page. Now this task we have to perform in the MS Word. Let's go to the MS Word. Now MS Word is started. You have to type this text or you can get typed document if it is available in your computer. I have already typed this text. Let's format this document. Select the heading. Increase the font size. Click the font size drop down button. I said 28 point. Make it bold. Click the bold option from font group. Make its color red. Click the font color drop down button and select the red color. It is center aligned, so click the center alignment from the paragraph group. Now set the paragraph spacing and line spacing. Right mouse click the paragraph option. I set 30 points. After the paragraph spacing, I set line spacing single. Click the OK button. Now draw a line. Go to the Insert tab. Click the Shapes drop down button. Select the line shape. Holding the Shift key to draw a straight line. Now click the Shape Outline drop down button. Change the thickness of line. Go to the Weight option and select the thickness. I select this 3 point. Now again go to the Shape Outline drop down option and click over here and set the line color. I set black. Now click the Shape Styles flyer button. It activates that format shape. Now click the Compound Type drop down button. I select this one. Now let's format the body of the document. Select the paragraph heading. Increase the font size. Go to the font size drop down button from font group of Home tab. I set 20 point. Make it bold. Set the paragraph spacing and line spacing. Right mouse click the paragraph option. I set 6 point before and after the paragraph spacing. I set multiple line spacing with its value 1.1. Click the OK button. Now select the paragraph. Increase the font size. Go to the font size drop down button. I set 16 point. Its alignment is justify. Click the justify option from paragraph group of Home tab. Now set the line spacing and paragraph spacing. Right mouse click the paragraph option. I set 6 point before and after the paragraph spacing. I set multiple line spacing with 1.1. Click the OK button. Now copy the format of this paragraph heading to apply in next heading. Make sure cursor is over here. Click the Format Painter from Clipboard group of Home tab. Now select this heading. In this way, again copy this format for next heading. Click the Format Painter. Select this heading. Now again copy this format. Click the Format Painter and click over here. Now look here, our paragraph headings are formatted. Now copy the format of this paragraph. Make sure cursor is over here. Click the Format Painter from Clipboard group of Home tab and select the paragraph where you want to apply the copied format. Now again copy this format. Click the Format Painter and select the paragraph. In this way, again copy this format for next paragraph. Now select the paragraph. Now look here, our body of the document is also formatted. Now let's insert the picture. To insert the picture, go to the Insert tab. Click the Pictures option from Illustration group. Find your picture. My pictures are over here. I select it and click the Insert button. Now picture is inserted. we have to resize the picture using the resizing handle. Now move this picture in the right place. Now again insert the next picture. I like to insert this picture in the second page. Go to the Insert tab. Click the Pictures option from Illustration group. Now find your picture. My pictures are over here. I select it and click the Insert button. Picture is inserted. Now resize this using the resizing handle. Move this picture in the right place. Now let's insert the footnotes about 4 words in this document. Number 1, citizens, children, society, and in the next page, garments. These 4 words I marked by red color because it is easy to find the words in the document. Now to insert the footnote, make sure cursor is in front of the words. So I place the cursor over here and go to the Reference tab. Click the Insert Footnote option from Footnotes group of Reference tab. Now look here, the cursor is appeared in the bottom of the current page. Now we have to write the explanation about of word. I like to type over here person who is the permanent residency of the country. Now this is the footnotes. Footnote is always appears in the bottom of the current page. Now if you move your cursor over here, it appears that written explanation in the footer of the page over here, person who is the permanent residency of the country. Now it is indicated by number 1. It appears in front of the word. Again place the cursor over here. Now we have to insert the footnote about of this word children. Now go to the Reference tab. It is already selected. Click the Insert Footnote. Now look here. Again cursor is in the bottom of the page. Number 2, we have to write its explanation note. I like to type people whose age is below 16. Now look here. In front of this word, it is appeared this 2. It means this is the second footnote of this page. Now again place the cursor in front of this word. Again go to the Reference tab. It is already selected. Click the Insert Footnote option from Footnotes group of Insert tab. Now look here. 3 is appeared in front of this word. It indicates it has a footnote which is in number 3 in the footer of the page. Now look here, cursor is here in number 3. Now we have to type the footnote. I like to type our neighborhood where we adopt forever from childhood. Now look here, in this page we have inserted 3 footnotes. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Look here in the page, this is the third footnote, this is the second footnote, this is the first footnote. Now let's go to the second page. In the second page, place the cursor in front of this word. Now go to the Reference tab. It is already selected. Now click the Insert Footnote from Footnotes group of Reference tab. Now look here, number 4 is appeared over here. It indicates footnotes is in the number 4. Now we have to type the explanation about this word. I like to type cloth which is made for wearing. Now look here, in this document we have inserted the footnotes. In this way we can insert the end note. End note always appears in the end of the documents and footnotes appears in the end of the page. If you want to delete the footnote, just select that footnote number and press the Del key from the keyboard. When you delete the footnote number, it is deleted from the footer of the page. Let's insert the endnote. Place the cursor in front of the word. Now go to the reference tab. It is selected and insert the endnote option from footnotes group of reference tab. Now look here. Now we are end of the document. We have to type the explanation of this word. I like to type person who is the permanent residency of the country. Now again place the cursor over here to insert its endnote. Go to the reference tab and click the insert endnote option from footnotes group. Type the explanation of this word. I like to type people whose age is below 16. Again go to in front of next word. I like to place over here. Go to the reference tab and click the insert endnote. Now type its explanation. Our neighborhood where we adopt forever from childhood. Again go to the end of next word. I like to place my cursor over here and go to the reference tab. Click the insert endnote option from footnotes group of reference tab. Now this is the fourth endnote. Now type its explanation. I like to type cloth which is made for wearing. Now look here. In this way we can insert the endnote. Now look here, 4 endnotes are inserted in this document which are appeared in the end of the document. In this way you have to practice to insert the footnote and endnote in your document to develop your word processing skill after watching this video.